What's up everybody, this is Nick Noyes from Noyes Designs. I just finished up this titanium ring. I engraved it, set 2 diamonds in it, and I want to show you how I did it. I've never worked with titanium before, so this was an interesting experience. I actually got this one machined from a friend of mine on Instagram. His page is BD_mastermind. Check it out. Something interesting happens to titanium when you heat it. So I want to show you that. Stay tuned. Check it out. If you're new to this channel, I create step-by-step videos of how I create jewelry, as well as more in-depth tutorials. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. It would mean a lot to me. I post a new video every Wednesday, 10 a.m. Eastern. See you there.